No, so sweet. Look at the peacocks. You see, the peacock is dancing. Hold on, wait here. Don't go nearby. No, no, wait, wait. Wait, baby. Let's see. Let him see him dance. Don't make him a little freaked out. See, he's shy now. He's not showing the face. Hey, peacock. Bah, 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 bah. Okay, come this way, baby. So he won't be scared. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. Hey, beautiful peacock. How are you?
He has feathers.
Yeah, he has feathers. You like him? It's so beautiful.
You okay?
Bah, 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 bah,
I did
bah.
the shoot. I did the shoot.
Mm-hmm.
Mango. And I
Mm.
did the shoot saya.
Yeah.
I did the shoot mango and saya.
Oh, really?
They didn't get me either.
Hmm.
Mango and rice.
Hmm.
Understand here where it goes.
Bah,
Where
bah.
it goes in the pocket.
Mm-hmm. Hmm?
Go here. Millet angel. And look at this here. Yes.
See how beautiful he is. Oh, so sweet. Okay, so okay, come. Oh.
Sarah shooting me.
Oh, really?